Hello everyone, this is Joy from xTool. Today, I'm going to answer some frequently asked questions about our new xTool Apparel Printer. Hopefully, it can help you make your decision. Our maintenance is very simple. Just keep the machine plugged in, and it will automatically maintain itself throughout its entire life cycle. The machine's automatic self-maintaining system includes printhead cleaning, white ink circulation, and printhead moisturizer filling. To note that, only high-end machines have the function to constantly moisturize the printhead. All these functions greatly reduce the chance of printhead blockages. We've calculated that if you leave the printer unused for a month, the automatic maintenance will use up about 30 ml of moisturizing liquid, 15 ml of color ink, and 15 ml of white ink. Let's hear some feedback from our beta testers and KOL.
With xTools, I just print and it does what it cleans by itself.
Like I've left it there for 10 days unattended, didn't do anything to it, did a couple head cleanings, and I was back up and running. If I did that with my other printer, I'd be replacing a print head.
It offers an automatic print head cleaning, keeping those print heads moist, and it offers print head capping. So when it's done printing, the base raises up and caps those print heads so that they stay moist.
Yes, you'll need to use xTool's official ink and transfer film with xTool Apparel Printer. We understand these consumables need replacing regularly. So we've already discussed with our CEO to lower the price to a level that's affordable and also competitive within the industry. Let's take a look at the price. Our official consumables offer some great benefits for a smart, fully automated print-to-bake experience. First, our transfer film has special edge perforations. This let it move automatically from the printer to the oven, even for a single sheet film. Second, our ink made with Japanese resin helps minimize clogged nozzles. Finally, we spent a year adjusting the ICC profiles of our ink and the film to meet the G7 Master Color Standard, which saves you a lot of time readjusting colors for accuracy after you get the machine and the ink. We use industrial-grade Epson i16000 dual printhead. The printhead usually used on $10K plus printers. Dual printhead print color ink and white ink separately, thus less likely to clogging. While other printheads last around half to 1 year, our printhead can double the lifespan, lasting around 1 to 2 years. It is possible to last longer if you can take good care of it. We highly recommend using an air purifier with our product. This is because when the printed transfer film is heated in the shaker oven, the TPU-based powder may release dust particles, and the ink may release TVOCs. Though they are not toxic, breathing them in for a long time can affect your respiratory system. We also recommend you purchasing our AP2 air purifier. It features 6 layers of filters and an innovative super cyclone filter, which means it cleans more thoroughly than others. The xTool Apparel Printer can reach speed up to 50 square feet per hour. This number is real and been tested in our laboratory. Let me show you how we test it. Let's go. The printer is printing now. I set a timer to see how fast it can print a high-definition print roughly 14 to 18 inches wide. Okay, the printing is now finished. Now we divide the printed area by the time it took, and that gives us a speed of 52 square feet per hour. In addition to fast printing speed, our shaker oven structural design allows for continuous baking, greatly improving batch baking efficiency as well. Yes, it performs exceptionally well on cotton and polyester, with prints that can withstand 50 to 100 washes and dries. Here is our testing piece. You can see it still maintains its integrity and colors. Yes, our software supports both RGB and CMYK images. In fact, it automatically converts all RGB to CMYK for printing. It also supports nearly all digital formats and performs RIP conversion automatically after you heat print, so you don't need to manually convert before printing. Most software on the market only support Windows and has scattered functions, requiring 2 or 3 different software to complete a single print job. In contrast, our official software is not only Windows and Mac compatible, but also integrates almost all necessary functions from design to printing. And to enhance production efficiency, our software optimizes basic functions to be smarter, such as AI design, AI image restoration, mockup, and one-click layout options. You might be wondering why xTool's first printer is priced this way. Well, here's the thing. Unlike many assembled printers on the market, the xTool Apparel Printer is a fully in-house developed machine. Except for the Epson printhead, everything else is developed by us, and even the printhead has been optimized for easy maintenance. xTool machines are designed to be easy and smart to use. That's why we've invested heavily in full automation, developing our own motherboard and integrating multiple types of sensors, a touchscreen display, and a 16MP AI camera system to ensure a smooth and efficient user experience. As we mentioned, we chose a high-end, costly printhead that delivers high-definition and accurate color prints, ensuring the image quality meets various commercial needs. Hopefully, this FAQ video can give you a better idea of xTool Apparel Printer. We're dedicated to giving you the best apparel printing experience. Like and share if you enjoyed this video. And if you have more questions about our product and want to see more FAQ video, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget, xTool Apparel Printer is now selling on Kickstarter. Click the link down below and grab the chance to buy it at the best price. Thanks for your watching and support. See you next time.